AI is replacing jobs faster than ever, but if you learn these future-proof skills, you will not only survive, you will thrive in 2025 and beyond. But here's the good news. If you have the right human skills, you won't just survive, you will thrive. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 future-proof skills that AI can't replace and how to start mastering them right now. Stick around till the end, the last one might surprise you. What's happening right now? Let's take a quick look at what's actually happening in 2025. Quick facts on screen. Amazon laid off thousands due to automation. ChatGPT now writes legal briefs and blog posts. AI-generated art and voices dominated freelancing marketplaces. Entire companies run with no human employees. The truth is, automation isn't just coming for blue-collar jobs. It's coming for white-collar ones too. But that doesn't mean you are powerless. You just have to learn the right skills that complement, not compete with AI. Skill 1. Critical thinking. AI is smart, but it can't think critically. It can't ask, does this make sense, or what's missing here? Why it matters? AI outputs depend on prompts. AI can hallucinate facts. Human oversight is essential in law, health, journalism, finance. How to build it? Learn logic-based problem solving. Plan strategy games. Analyze case studies and business scenarios. AI can write a report, but only you can decide if it's ethical, strategic, or even true. Skill 2. Emotional intelligence. AI can talk, but it can't truly connect. In jobs like leadership, sales, counseling, customer relationships, teaching, AI may assist, but it can't empathize. How to build it? Practice active listening, get feedback from peers, study human psychology, read more fiction to understand emotions. In the AI world, people will crave real connection more than ever, and that's your age. Skill number 3. Creativity. Yes, AI can generate content, but only humans can create original, emotionally resonant, and disruptive ideas. In-demand creative roles are storytelling, marketing strategy, branding, innovation consulting, UX, and product design. How to build it? Use AI to brainstorm, then remix it. Practice deliberately thinking, build side projects. In a world where everyone uses AI, your creativity will be the X factor. Skill number 4. Adaptability and learning. AI is evolving faster than schools can keep up. The real winners, lifelong learners. Instead of memorizing, you will need learning agility, fast research skills, comfort new tools and platforms. How to build it? Read 30 minutes daily, take micro courses from LinkedIn, Coursera, or YouTube, join online learning communities, experiment the build in public. It's not the strongest to survive, it's the most adaptable. Skill number 5. Problem solving in unpredictable situations. AI follows data, but what happens where there's no clear solution, no past example, no dataset? There's where intuition, real-world experience, and get discussion making come in. How to build it? Do case competitions, take part in hackathons, volunteer in fast-changing environments, travel, explore diverse cultures and ideas. The most valuable people in a team aren't the ones who perfect answers, they are the ones who thrive in chaos. So, will AI replace you? Here's the truth, AI won't replace humans, but humans using AI will replace those who don't. The winning combo in 2025 equal AI tools plus human skills. Think of AI as a power-up, not a threat. Use it to automate the boring stuff and focus on being more creative, strategic, and emotionally intelligent. Comment below what skills are you working on this year to stay future-proof. All the AI tools and learning resources I mentioned are in the description. Like this video if it opened your eyes. Subscribe for weekly deep dives into AI, the future of work, and digital skills you actually need.